The moment of truth. We all have to start somewhere. Drum roll. And there we have it, 201. So starting weight. Let's get it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Today officially marks day one of this weight loss journey. Came in at 201 this morning. The goal is to get down to about 185, a lean 185, preserve muscle mass. So I want to aim to drop maybe a pound a week, and I think it's possible, it's doable. But I want to track this journey and share everything with you guys, all right? So these videos from here on out will probably be roughly around 20 to 25 minutes because I just want to pack a lot of information in these videos for you guys. So that being said, I'm gonna talk more later on, but let's go ahead and get into meal one for the day. So meal one, I have a total of 6 eggs, 4 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, and then I'm going to have 2 packets of oatmeal, strawberry and cream. I like to mix the flavors up sometimes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this strawberry today because that's all we have in the house. And then with my eggs, I like to scramble them hard. I use pink Himalayan sea salt. And then I also use pepper. We like to use this ground pepper, the grinder, So we like to use this grinder where you can grind your pepper and put in there. So I just put a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna have oatmeal, and this will be my pre-workout meal / meal one for the day. So we have meal one completed, but I also want to share with you guys my supplements, all right? Because I get a lot of questions about my supplements. So first thing, I want to start with the fish oil or the omegas. Right now I'm taking this omega 4XL, the 4X SX7 from MuscleTech. Very good fish oil. Only 1 capsule a day, and I believe you're getting 1,500. Yes, you're getting 1,500 milligrams of your omegas, which is really good, all right? Also, along with my fish oil daily, I like to take a multivitamin. This current one right here is the Energy and Metabolism from MuscleTech, the Vitamax. Now they do have Vitamax that comes in different blends, but this one is the Energy and Metabolism. So these 2 products right now are really great products, and if you're interested in these products, click the link in my bio, shop MuscleTech right now. And to save 10% off, make sure you use promo code LANE10. Along with taking a multivitamin and fish oil, highly recommend getting a probiotic. I take a probiotic daily as well, and this is just good for digestive health. If you've never taken a probiotic before, I highly recommend starting off with a 25 billion. This one is a 50 billion, which is a little high, but I was able to get it for a good deal. So my camera's not focusing. So that's the only reason I got it, but I normally get the 25 billion. And again, this is just one a day, and you take this with your meal as well. So we're gonna go ahead, eat this meal, drink a lot of water, and get ready to hit the gym and train. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys can hear me. It's very loud right now at the gym, but today we're training back and shoulders. The main focus is the thickness of my back, so I want to focus on that. So that being said, we're going to get into the workout. Start the workout by doing rows first. We're going to do a lot of sets, a lot of reps to just tax our back out and make sure that the rows has pretty much priority of the back workout. Then we're going to get into the lats. I'm a taller guy, so having a wider back, especially doing men's physique, is very important. So we're definitely gonna get a lot of sets with the lats as well. But my main goal is to add a little thickness, so we're gonna focus on that. After that, we're gonna get into about 2 exercises for light shoulders, because when you're training back, you're also hitting your rear delts a little bit and some of your front delts. So we're gonna do light, probably some upright rows, maybe some rear delt exercises, just to also target the back, target your trap area in your rear delts. So we're gonna keep the workout very simple. This is my 2nd week back in the gym, so I'm not gonna go super hard, but I am gonna push myself a little more than compared to last week, all right? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do some bodyweight pull-ups. I'm not gonna record it because it's pretty simple. You guys see it all the time. We're gonna start off doing bodyweight pull-ups, and then we're gonna find a barbell, and we're gonna go ahead and get into our rows, all right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Yes sir, it's time to eat. Just got back from the gym. Now it's time to make this post-workout meal. I don't have any meals prepped, so I need to hurry up and cook this meal and make sure I get this meal in. Your post-workout, guys, is one of the most important meals when you're trying to lose weight and you're trying to build muscle, because an hour, about 45 minutes to an hour, no later than 45 minutes to an hour after your workout, you need to make sure you get some nutrients in your body for your body to start building and repairing, all right? And it also aids in fat loss because it keeps your metabolism going. So getting that post-workout meal in is very important, just like your pre-workout meal, just like your breakfast. So if you're one of those people who work out for about an hour, hour and a half, and then you wait 2 hours to eat, your body's gonna start burning muscle because it's hungry, it's trying to fuel off the muscle. And for those that wanna put on weight, you need to eat so that way your body can use that to repair muscle, all right? So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn this broccoli, this 93.7 ground turkey, and some jasmine rice into 6 delicious, lean, healthy meals. These meals can be served as for bulking and cutting, guys. You just have to adjust the amount of food that you take in. So if you're trying to bulk, of course, you want to eat a lot more clean foods. So basically right here, all my meals are prepped. I'm about to eat this meal right now. I have 4 other meals prepped that's gonna last me for the rest of the day and tomorrow. And then this is leftover ground turkey. This is 4.5 ounces, so this will serve as a meal. The other meals I have 5 ounces, and then I have 1 cup of rice and a serving of broccoli, all right? So it's very important to get that post-workout meal in, and it's also very important to prep your meals, guys, especially if you're someone that's always on the go, because keeping those meals with you will help you make sure your metabolism is going, make sure you're getting your nutrients in, make sure you're getting your calories in. It's a huge part into it. It's all a lifestyle. So I'm about to eat this meal and then we're heading out, all right? So, are you guys ready for the very first step in this whole process? Are you ready? Because this is a very, very important step, all right? So, the very first step in this whole entire process, you guys need to clean up your diet, all right? Stop everything you're doing, clean up your diet. I'm not saying cut back on eating the amount of food, but I'm saying you guys need to stop, clean your diet up, clean carbs, clean protein, and tons of green vegetables, all right? Fruit is okay as well. Cut back on the sugars, cut back on bad fats. YouTube and Google good fats that you can eat. Let's focus on cleaning up our diet first. I say for the next week or two, focus on just that, all right? Don't focus on how many grams of this and grams of that you need to eat. Let's just focus on getting clean foods in our body and getting our body used to having these foods. Because if you're someone that have not been eating a lot of clean foods, your body is probably, it just needs to be reset. Make sure you're drinking tons and tons of water for the next week or two, all right? Also, don't get so locked in on doing tons and tons and tons of cardio right now. Let's just focus on dieting. The whole purpose of altering your physique and getting that nice, lean, shredded physique, you want to preserve muscle mass, but you want to burn the body fat. So the goal is to let the diet do majority of the work, all right? So you want to let the diet do all the work where you don't have to do tons of cardio, because when you start doing tons and tons of cardio, you're gonna start burning muscle, all right? So for the next week, maybe the next 2 weeks, I want you guys to make it your task to clean up your diet, clean up your refrigerator, clean up your cabinets. All that junk food in there's gotta go. Take it to your job and give it to your co-workers. Take it to a pantry, take it to someone homeless. Try not to throw it away if you don't have to. And let's try to get that out of the house, because if you have those temptations around, especially within the first few weeks, I would say about 4 weeks, is normally, I would honestly say about 2 weeks, depending on the person. The first 2 to 3 weeks is tough because that's when the cravings start kicking in. But after that, those cravings will go away and you'll be able to look at those foods and be around those foods and not be able to have those foods, all right? So let's focus on cleaning up our diet. Let's drink tons and tons of water. Let's get rid of all the temptations out of the house, out of the refrigerator, out of the cabinets, that little snack drawer at your job. Let's clear that out as well. And let's start eating a lot of clean snacks, fruits, nuts, snack on vegetables if you want, salads. Let's also stay away from the heavy cream dressings, things like that. Let's just overall clean up our diet, all right? So this is the very first step, guys, because a lot of people think when you're starting to do diet, okay, I gotta go to the gym and I gotta do 2 workouts a day, I gotta do cardio, 45 minutes every day. No, the whole purpose to let the diet do the job. We can always change the diet. When you start going hard with your cardio and training right out the gate, your body will get used to it, and it will be hard for you to make changes in that area. So we're gonna start off with cleaning up our diet. Download the MyFitnessPal. Put in your current weight and put in the weight you would like to achieve. That'll be a great app to use to start your baseline, to figure out how many calories you need to take in, how many grams of protein, how many grams of carbs, fat, etc. All right, that's a great way to do it. If you're someone that can afford to invest in some kind of prep coach, do it. If you can't though, I highly recommend using the MyFitnessPal. That's what I use to track my macros daily, because I currently don't have a coach and I'm currently not prepared for a competition, and I feel like this is something I could do on my own. All right, so I want you guys to make that your task. Again, download the MyFitnessPal, check it out guys, put in your current weight, put in your goal weight, and you just have to stay committed and stay consistent. All right, don't get frustrated. The first few weeks, the first 4 weeks is gonna be very frustrating, because you're gonna feel like you're not seeing change, and that's normal, that's gonna happen. But you guys gotta stay strong and keep pressing forward. All right, I know some of you are gonna be like, when can I have a cheat meal? In my eyes, cheat meals are earned. So I say the first week, don't focus on a cheat meal. Maybe the second week, don't focus on a cheat meal as well. When you get into that third week and your weight's dropping, reward yourself at the end of that week and have one cheat meal, and then get back on diet. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout clip. If you guys would like for me to talk about the workout versus just playing background music, comment down below, let me know. All right, other than that, I appreciate the support as always. I need you guys to do me a huge favor. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Also subscribe to the channel, so that way you stay posted and you'll get a notification of when I drop a new video. And if you feel like other people around you in your life can benefit from this channel, share this channel with them guys. If you don't mind, like, send them the link to my YouTube page and ask them to subscribe, so that way they can follow the journey and create their own journey as well. I just want to get my word, my message, and my tips and everything to as many people as possible. And at the end of the day, if I have a video and I only have 300 views, that's 300 people that I was able to share my knowledge with, which is a lot of people actually, because if you put 300 people in a small room, or not small room, but if you get 300 people together, that's a lot of people to be standing in front of if you're like someone that's giving a speech. So I appreciate the love and support as always. Rate, subscribe, comment. Until next time guys, peace.